fittings are used in conduit runs to stop gases, vapors, or flames from migrating from one part of the system to another. This limits the spread of any potential explosion, enhancing safety. Sealing fittings are available with several different options, such as breathers and drains, to accommodate installations in various locations and positions. Our patent-pending P5SA feature, available on our sealing fittings, allow positional feedback for the upgraded urethane-coated plug for proper installation without compromising the best possible corrosion protection. To verify proper plug engagement, the new design allows for visual validation by ensuring that when properly installed, the plug will not protrude beyond the beveled edge of the PVC around the plug. This confirms that there are 5 full threads of engagement per the NEC code, which is critical for safe installation and a proper flame path. The most critical part of an explosion-proof enclosure is the flame path, which is oftentimes fitting threads or surfaces. Flame paths are designed to provide protection in systems that are installed in an atmosphere where gas is present. If an explosion occurs, it remains confined within the enclosure and does not allow the flame to spread to the surrounding atmosphere due to burning or hot gases cooling as they cross the threads. With the P5SA system, both installers and inspectors can visually confirm that the urethane-coated plugs are correctly engaged the first time, every time, allowing for a level of assurance that the system will perform correctly.